safe in an outlet. Did you know that it only takes about 9 minutes for an average burglar to rob a house? In that short time frame, they can quickly check common spots like nightstands and closets, but they won't think of unscrewing the outlets. That's why you should buy a hidden vault cleverly disguised as an ordinary outlet. It can be installed in around half an hour, offers 490 cc of storage space, and can have one large compartment or several smaller ones. To enhance the disguise, you can even plug in a fake cord into the outlet. Not bad for the price of 50, right? Number 9. Headrest safe. According to the manufacturer, you can trust this hidden, secure, and above all, safe storage installed in the headrest. It's designed to hold both money and weapons, and it's available for $490. The storage space measures 28 by 15 by 20 centimeters and features a steel body and door. It's protected by one 3 centimeter thick foam rubber. The code lock is battery powered and lasts for a year. Installation's easy. A unique adjustable rack system allows you to customize the width. The manufacturer concludes by saying that you can store your valuables in plain sight without worry. Number 8. Fake stone. Another clever innovation is secret compartments within rocks. These are usually priced at around $10. The available options include various shapes and textures, with a length of 10 centimeters and enough space to store spare keys. Made from durable molded polyresin, they can withstand any weather conditions. Just make sure not to forget the exact location of the secret stone. Number 7. Toyota Tacoma safe. Speaking about cars, here's another safe, specifically designed for the Toyota Tacoma. It's priced at $29 and is compatible with 2016 to 2023 models. Installing it is easy and doesn't require any drilling. The interior dimensions of the safe are approximately 15 by 18 centimeters. Number 6. Hidden drawer compartment. Hide your laptop, watch, passport, and money in unexpected places is the advice from the experts in this video, and they demonstrate how to do it right away. Number 5. Wazoo cash cap. Now take a look at this patented baseball cap with a hidden compartment. It comes in a universal size and features 6 pockets. A central pocket measuring 11 by 13 centimeters, 2 side pockets measuring 13 by 8 centimeters, a banknote, pocket measuring 4 by 13 centimeters, and 2 micro pockets measuring 2 centimeters each. Made with UPF 50 fabric, it blocks up to 98% of harmful UV rays. The design is versatile and suitable for various settings, from city streets to camping. There's no button on the top, ensuring comfort when wearing headphones. The price for this baseball cap is $36. Number 4. Gun storage. This is also an interesting idea. A hidden voice-activated weapons vault. The only downside is speed, so it's not a good idea to store something for a quick response here. Number 3. Safe and thermometer. Here's another product to store your smallest valuables in plain sight. It's a thermometer that features two scales, Celsius and Fahrenheit, and it also has a hidden section with two hooks, making it a perfect key holder or a small storage space for bills. There's no need for a key, card, or code lock. Simply slide up the panel with the scales to access the hidden compartment. The thermometer itself measures 16 by 5 centimeters, and it's available at the affordable price of $7. Number 2. Hidden tunnel. Rivian electric pickups were first unveiled around 2018, and by 2021, the first customer received their Rivian R1T model fresh from the factory. The customer paid $73,000 for this vehicle, which boasts 4 electric motors, delivering a combined power of 760 horsepower. In addition to its impressive performance, the R1T offers ample storage space. Take a look at this tunnel. It can hold up to 331 liters of cargo, making it spacious enough to accommodate even a camping kitchenette. Number 1. Vehicle gun safe. 5 years ago, there were 857 million guns owned by civilians worldwide. And now, you can turn your car into a fortress. These secret compartments let you bring your favorite gun or even multiple guns with you when you're on the road. You can easily find standard versions for around $300 or $400, and they're perfect for popular car brands and models, like the Toyota Tundra and the Ford Explorer. Some notable features include easy installation, no more than 10 minutes on many models, drill-resistant locks, and options with both code locks and keys. And that's it from today's video. What you think about this topic? Drop your thoughts below. And while you're on that, please like and subscribe, and we see you in the next video.